Hi, my name is Lisa, and I hope you stick around and watch the second part of my Burberry unboxing. So, let's get the obvious out of the way. I am slurring because for the next several months, I'm going to be rocking these braces. It'll be between 9 months and a year, so there we are, old school. There you go. And that's just what it is. The slur comes with it, and I do apologize. So, down to the good stuff. I think it was about 2, 3 weeks ago, I unboxed this beautiful bag right here. She's amazing. I love her. I love the feet. I love that you can hear the click click when she sits down on things. I love the zipper compartments, everything. This bag is fire. Minus that strap. I'm still on the hunt for the Burberry thick strap that I showed you in the last video, and I will link it below. But if you recall, my husband and I did a thing, and it was a total Gucci matchy-matchy, and I will stick a picture here, and I will try to link that video either below or up top in the corner, wherever it is. So, I'm sure that gives you a hint about today's unboxing. We went to the Burberry store at Ala Moana, which is our local mall. And it was so funny because the guy was trying to just give me the bag with the hat inside. And I said, "Where's the box?" So he was like, "Oh, we don't have a box, so blah, blah, blah." And I was like, "Then I'm sorry. You need to find me a box because I'm a box person. I want the box, the ribbon, the bow, the whole shebang, especially," and I hate to say this, but not so much with Louis Vuitton because I have a million of those things and whatever. But I don't have a million Burberry boxes. Beautiful green on the inside. And I'm sure you've already guessed. He got a bucket hat to match. Now, if that's not fire, I don't know what is. I love a matchy-matchy. So there we go. And he tried on the hat in the store, and I think this was perfect. You know, it was funny because he went for an extra large, but this one I believe is a large, and it's just perfect. Beautiful. So there's that one. And soon we will round it out with some more Burberry because, you know, nobody's really checking for Burberry right now except for us and Will McCason. And I love their classic Burberry. I'm not 110% on the TB. I'm just not there yet. And their round logo, I really like that one. That one's really nice too. So I'll put it there if I can. And that was pretty much it. Oh, actually, just for that. So I'm sorry. It's late. I'm all over the place today. So bear with me. I got to reel this in. The bag of the day is the Gucci Diana. And she's getting switched out tonight for I'm not sure. And I'm sure I mentioned it a while ago, but I had a friend of mine make a perfume tray for me, and it wasn't big enough, and it wasn't 110% what I wanted. You know how you see something and you think you want that version of it, but then it doesn't work for your house or your aesthetics? So I wanted the one with the little handles on it, but I'm really never gonna move it. So the handles were in the way, and it seemed like my perfumes were crowding each other, and I just needed something different. So I found this on Etsy, and it's actually wood and resin. So there you go. Oh, sorry if I blind you with the ring light, but the girl did a great job, and the shipping was a little bit ridiculous, but the price of it was low, so it kind of balanced itself out. So I was happy with it, and she did a good job. And the only thing I wish I had gotten was there was another store, but hers had like a little lip around the edge. But for me, basically, this is perfect because my perfumes are not gonna wobble. I'll probably never move them off of this ledge, and it's just perfect. So that is another segue into, are you ready? That is my other segue into this beautiful box right here. My regular store did not have it, so I got to go see Steven in Waikiki. He was so nice. Oh my God, he was so nice. And I swear I worried the heck out of him because I was like, I kept changing my mind and I was back and forth. There was down to two because there are four of the limited edition bottles. And, well, they had four. And two I wasn't 100% on. And there were two left, and those two I must have went back and forth over and over and over again. And then one was the most popular, but I chose the one that was actually the least popular just by chance. But it is called Cosmic Cloud, and it is beautiful. So let's open it. This is my first opening too, because I'm sure you saw my nail hit it. I shouldn't have done that, but it's okay. Because I'm not going to keep this box anymore. So, there she is. Oh, it's slanted. How cute. Oh, okay. The lid was off in the box. It's okay. And there she is. And I did not get my name engraved on it yet, but I can always take it back and have them do it later, so it's no big deal. But I went for Cosmic Cloud, and I highly recommend you go get a bottle. I highly recommend it. You know, I thought Spell on You, no, let me back it up. I thought California Dream was the get-all, beat-all. I thought Etoile Follette was amazing. And I thought Spell on You was going to be my favorite perfume from now on. But then there's this, Cosmic Cloud. Trust me, it doesn't. And I think that Spell on You and California Dream have a more summery scent to it, a summery vibe. But this is more like a fall winter scent, and it has like just its own unique scent, and I think that everybody should try it. Oh, and the bottle is not round. It just dawned on me. It's actually, if you look at the bottom, it's actually oval shaped. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you can see where it's actually oval shaped in the container too. It smells like just, I have no idea. That's what it smells like. It smells like it has its very own distinctive, unique smell. And I'm terrible at describing smells, so I'm sorry. But I highly suggest you go get a bottle or a sample and smell it for yourself. And if you do, let me know which one you chose. And, oh, it's magnetic. That's why it came off so easily when it was in a container. You can feel the pull, right, yeah, you can feel the pull. So I'm okay, I'm better. But when you get a sample, let me know which one you smelled, and let me know if you thought it was, amazing or not. And that's it. I love it. I love it. And I so appreciate my husband for indulging me in the matchy-matchy. He's really not a luxury guy, but I appreciate him matching my energy with this one, because this, my friends, is a vibe, and I love it, and I love him. So there's that. Okay. So please don't ask me a bunch of questions about that smell because I'm still trying to find words to describe it, but I don't have any. I'm sorry, I just don't have any. So if you have any questions about my new perfume tray, my Burberry bag, my husband's Burberry flex hat, or just not to describe that perfume, let me know. And if you saw the perfume and thought it wasn't worth the money, let me know. Because, everybody spends their money on what they want. I had a friend, she mentioned to me a few weeks ago, and she goes, "Oh, girl, you could have went to Italy with as much as you spent on one bag." And I looked at her and I go, "Yeah, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to spend my money on that. The same way you spend your money with her hobby, which is something I don't think is, wise." I'm trying to be nice. So, we all spend our money the way we want to. So there's that. And yes, the uncomfortable 15-year-old metal mouth, oh my God. It is uncomfortable. I forgot what being a teenager was like until the other day. I got it done on Veterans Day, and I was so surprised that the orthodontist was open on the holiday. And I thought to myself, oh, she's going to cancel once they realize it's a holiday. And I was hopefully optimistic that they would, because I was just like, ah. And I chose not to go with the Invisalign because of what my personal struggle is. It would have taken twice as long for me to wear the Invisaligns versus this. And I thought, oh no. And if you forget to put those Invisaligns in, if you leave them in a napkin, or if you throw them in the trash because you're eating food out somewhere, not only are you going to have to replace them, you're going to have that time added to the end. And I wanted basically the quick fix. To just be honest, I wanted the fastest thing possible to fix what's wrong, because my teeth were relatively straight. So I don't know if you ever noticed my smile or not, but there it is. And my teeth were relatively straight, but I started to develop an overbite from clenching my jaw. So I can't have that. Basically it was my bottom teeth forcing my top teeth this way instead of straight up and down. So that had to stop, and braces it was. That was my choice. So that's that. And I'm sure that once the rubber bands and all of that stuff starts, we'll see. I'll keep you up to date with all of that, but yeah, we'll see. So thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. I know people say, oh, thank you for watching, but I actually do appreciate it. Be kind. Why not? It doesn't hurt, and it doesn't cost anything to be kind. Also, so I have another unboxing coming really soon. It is from the Gucci Balenciaga collaboration, so that will be soon. It dropped yesterday, but I have other things to do after work this whole week, so I won't be able to get to them all till later, unless I can squeeze it in. We'll see. But this year for Christmas, my husband and I have agreed to do a charity again. And if you haven't heard me talk about it, basically the premise of this charity challenge is you pick 5 sets of people: your partner, your children, your parents, your in-laws, and 1 friend. And those are the only 5 gifts that you can buy. And the rest of the money that you would have spent on Christmas gifts, you donated anonymously to a charity. And last year, my husband and I chose the Navy Marine Corps Relief Society, because my husband was in the Navy, and when he was a young broke sailor, they helped us all the time. And the 2 years before that, we chose AMFAR, which is the American Foundation for AIDS Research. And I'm not sure if I want to go with Navy Relief again or pick a different charity. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't decided on which one we wanted to go with. And my husband was like, basically, whatever you want to do. He doesn't. Yeah, he's just like, no, whatever. But it made me feel good. I don't know how to describe it. It just makes you feel like you did something really good for somebody, and it makes you feel good. It's the hardest thing to describe when you when you do it. It's hard. It's hard to describe, but it got better and better. Like last year, I was like, oh my God, I hope I help somebody, you know, or whatever. I'm sorry, I'm rambling, and there we go. So, thank you for your time. Have an amazing week. Spread some joy. Be kind. Aloha. See ya.